Hello everyone! In this video we will learn how to add or save an address in 1099 Online. Let's get started. From the dashboard, click the settings icon located in the top right corner of the page. On the settings page, click Saved Addresses. We already have an address over here. Let's add a new one. Next, click the Add New Address button. The Add Address window will open. Enter all the required address details, including address line 1, address line 2, if applicable, country, state, zip code, city. Once you've entered the required information, click Submit. Your address has now been saved successfully and will appear in your list of saved addresses. If you need to make changes later, click the Actions drop-down menu next to the address. From here, you can edit address, delete address, make as default. That's it. You've successfully added and managed a saved address in 1099 Online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.